Ah, it's looking good, huh?
Yeah, my dogs can't wait.
It's 7:33 a.m. It was a beautiful morning drive, wasn't it? We're up at Sparrows. 4 o'clock, I think I left my house. Went to the office, got some gear ready, left your car there, picked up Maddie, and then, yeah, now we are in a town called Elmore. That's it. So we're in Elmore at the moment, just had to grab a coffee. We're gonna go get our inductions done first at the farm. And then we'll set up. I think we've got a work whip at 9 o'clock. We'll have a chat to the guys, see what they're all up to then. But we have to wait, I think, around maybe about 9:30, 10-ish before we get the drone up, just because the light is a bit too low. So that's it. We'll check back in a minute. Have our food now. Veronica, how's it going?
Oh, it seems the weather is so
cold. It is so cold. We were driving along, right, and we were just watching the temperature on the car, and it went from 5 degrees, 4 degrees, to then -1. We get to -2? -2, and then it just kept going down and down and down.
For a sunrise, and they're just not going to get it on Wednesday, as far as I can tell. So what's happening is there's going to be a shoot at 1 o'clock for the basketball court.
If you can chat to Krishna, we basically need to fly to Brisbane, 2 people to Brisbane, and then Brisbane car hire for a day. And we got to get to a place called Stradbroke Island the earliest possible time. It's a ferry ride across as well, so we need to see availability. And it'll be a full day job there. That's for Thursday or Friday. Paul, you got some filming to do and stuff?
Cool. Yeah, we'll bounce.
Alright.
See y'all.
Alright, so we just had to catch up with the team, just to kind of make sure everyone's across all the projects and operations of what's happening across the country. No matter where we are, we always find some phone reception, sit down in the car, do it, have a chat, see what the creative guys are up to, see where the operations guys are and what we're doing. Just so everyone's kind of aligned with the progress. Yeah, it's a little bit different work or the business, you know, a few years down the track. Managing all these different people and different operations, it's been a journey. But yeah, anyways, let's go film some turf, shall we? Let's go. Should go up to 80 meters. Begin the first waypoint mission. Some green grass. Alright, so we have offloaded the SD card onto the computer. Matt's just double checking to make sure everything is nice and sharp, and it is. Yes. Farm 1 is done. Off to the next one, which will take us 24 minutes to scan. Let's go. So for this particular survey, we're not using ground control points, but we are using the D-RTK base station. So this helps the drone stay on a very straight path. It's like a very, very accurate GPS. So there's GPS on the drone, and that's relaying to the satellites and then also back to here. So it's very, very accurate. and that's what we are using today for our survey. How's it going, Matty? Give us an update.
Right, well, I've just launched.
Mm-hmm.
It's up there in the sky.
Yeah. And off it
It's
goes.
going to its starting point. Yeah, this map's about, what did I say? About 11-minute flight time.
11 minutes.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Better do it on one battery.
What's your top speed on this one?
About 54 Ks.
So about 15 meters a second.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. And you're flying the
The M3E.
Nice. So that's a pretty good choice. And if you're wondering, the vehicle we're using today is Unit 2. This is our primary vehicle. Let me give you a bit of a run around. There is another video of our whole setup, but because we're on a farm, we need to have some safety gear, so high-vis vest, but also a little amber flashing light thingy there. In the back canopy, our auxiliary battery, we have a 100 amp hour battery plugged into the main system, and this is what we use for our normal charging. We've got at the moment 2 chargers set up, charging Mavic 3 Enterprise batteries simultaneously. I've got a little custom shelf that I've built up here. So all the gadgets and laptops and chargers got at the top there. Laptop down here, some other equipment in the side here, which is what's needed for tomorrow's job, which is a telco project. And that's it. It's quite a simple setup, very effective, and yeah, great for drone ops. Right, so it's almost 4 o'clock. A couple of delays today. I had a very important meeting I had to get to, unfortunately, so I had to stop the car, get to some reception and take that call. And now we are on the very last farm, and it looks like we've just arrived. We're rolling up now. Just jump out, get set up, have a chat to these boys, and we should be done for the day. Well, what we found here is a little concrete spot, so Matt's going to launch now and complete the last survey for the day.
Alright, we are finished. All done, coming in. We're coming in hot. Well, no, not really.
Bye. Alright, see you later. Bye.
See ya.
We've just made it back to the accommodation. It's about 5 o'clock now. Maddie's just jumping in the shower. I'm about to do the same, and then we're going to head out for dinner and possibly a movie. But I just thought I'd show one really handy thing to purchase if you are in the drone space and you're always on the go and moving from motel to motel or hotel to hotel. Get one of these things. This is a really long extension cord. This also has 4 power points here, so it's like a multi-board. The beauty about this is when you're in motels, places where they might only have 1 power board, you can run this lead all the way to the power point and then bring out the actual multi-board closer to you if you need to quickly get to charging your phone or charging multiple items at the same time. And it rolls up in a nice small ball, as you can see, and chuck it in the back of your car. So tomorrow is the line of sight project, and we're going to get geared up for that. So we're not using the Mavic 3s anymore, we're using the M300 and the M30s. So we came with empty batteries and we always charge the night before, and that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to put them on charge, go have a shower, and then get ready for some dinner. Alright, that's it. It's been a good day. Yeah. Well done, mate.
Cheers, man. Good flying. Well done. Good flying.
It's getting pretty late now. It's about 9 o'clock. We had our dinner, and right now I'm just catching up on some emails. It makes it really difficult when I'm on the road, even though I love doing that. So I'm always often finding myself in a hotel or motel like this, just getting onto emails and replying, doing reports, and all that kind of fun stuff, or quoting. yeah, hope you enjoyed today, and let's see what tomorrow has in store for us. See you then. Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing a line of sight survey. This particular job gets quite technical, and we've got Paul back in the office to help us find the A-end and also to see a live feed of our operation. I actually need you to help find this tower. What bearing should I be at?
At least 270, maybe 269.
Ma'am, you want to come in? I'm just doing a vlog. This is what happens after 5 years.